In 1959, 7 Gujarati women from Mumbai came together to start a business. This business started with the capital of 80 rupees, which provides employment to 45,000 women from rural India. Who knew that one day, it would also contribute so significantly to India's GDP? This is the story of Lijjat Papad, which is probably India's most successful startup. How is it possible? This was made possible because of a business model that focused on the people. Any women with a roof to dry the papad could start working with Lijjat Papad. When distributors used to collect the papad, they used to pay the women upfront, instead of credit system, on-the-spot cash system. Lijjat Papad is a cooperative movement, which means all the women working with them are not employees, but owners of a small share of the business. When women weren't respected at their homes, they got equal rights at Lijjat Papad. Starting from 80 rupees and reaching to 800 crores rupees and making thousands of families self-reliant, it's not easy. If you like the story, then hit the like button and share it to your friend and families. For more videos like that, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for giving me your valuable 1 minute.